Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So we have exam on tomorrow, guys. Overall, IBPS conducted their IBPS PO prelims examination on two dates, fourth date and also 11th date. Some of the candidates have on fourth and others have on 11th date, guys. I have on tomorrow. It means fourth date in morning shift, guys. Anyone in this shift, not only in this shift. So anyone exam on tomorrow in any shift, please comment in comment section your date of examination and also reporting time. So next one is I will wish to all the candidates for tomorrow examination, guys. All the very best for each and every candidate, those who are appearing for tomorrow examination. I hope each and every candidate will get success through this examination. And next, once I record all our carrying items list, guys. So first one is wearing mask is very important, guys, because we already know what is our situation from outside. So that's why wearing mask is very important, don't neglect this. And carrying sanitizer also. And third one is admit card. And fourth one is original ID, in which ID you have given. So it means Aadhaar or PAN card, so whatever it may be you will give, will try to carry that. So it's very important. You must and should be carrying this Aadhaar or PAN card. And next, xerox of that ID. It means either Aadhaar card xerox or PAN card xerox or whatever, you will give that. And next, you will try to carry three photographs, guys. One is pasted on call letter and others two on at the time of signature. They are asking other two photographs, that's why you will try to carry three photographs must and shouldly. So all these things, these are carrying items list, guys. And next we will go to the how many number of attempts are safe attempts in this PO prelims examination in whatever shift, either first, second, so third, fourth, so whatever you are in shift, you will try to attempt 65 to 75. So are the safe attempts, guys, because the cutoff will be same as last year, because our vacancies are maybe 50 or 30 are increased at the final results. So as compared to last year, present vacancies are very high. That's why you will try to attempt 65 to 75 are safe attempts with good accuracy, guys. In these days, accuracy plays very crucial role in these examinations. That's why you will try to attempt good accuracy, especially in English language section. You will try to attempt your 100% sure on that question. So only that questions you will try to attempt, guys. So this is my safe attempts in my side. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Thank you. And once again, all the very best, good luck and hope for the best.